I spilled some 5-gallon water back trunk of my SAAB 94X, so the button doesn't open, and then key doesn't open it, and the back, if you try in the back, it doesn't open. So in the back trunk area, you open the storage area and you remove that storage styrofoam storage bin, and you get inside and you look at the driver's side of that area. This problem doesn't occur only spilling water, but also problem with this sunroof draining system, which is same for this model and Cadillac SRX 2011-2016. So you unclip that box. It's really easy. There's a clip, you push it on and then pull it off, and then there are 3 prongs right there, and they are easy to remove. They're all clipped, and you just unclip it and then pull it off. And then this is the one on there, OEM, and this is the aftermarket. And even though they are exactly the same, price is difference is this $46 versus up to $300. They both are purchasable on eBay, so take a chance and buy the cheap one. I did that, and I was gonna see if it's gonna work. So connecting them, it's just one hand job. So it's pretty easy. Don't pay $600, $700 for whole fix at the dealership. So I'm gonna connect this back into the area. Mounted in that area, and let's give it a try. Okay, it closes, and then it opens. There it is. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.